Let me ask you a question. Tomorrow, if an attorney or regulator came into your office and asked, did you do everything you could to protect yourself against cyber attacks? What would you say? 45% of businesses do not have an incident response plan. Without one, on average, it's about 71 days to recover from your incident. With an incident response plan, it drops to about 29 days. That's 42 fewer days of chaos, downtime, and worried clients. And this is how cybersecurity has changed for RIAs. It's no longer about firewalls and antivirus, although they are important. It's about standards and readiness and documentation. Regulators want documentation, insurers want evidence before they'll pay any claim, and clients want reassurance that you've done everything you can to protect them.